people have advanced a lot in industry and many products are produced. But do you know how most of them are made? People kill animals, cut trees, and destroy the earth with toxic gases, toxic and harmful wastes, and a lot of trash. I think we shouldn't use animals for making products. We should use plastic and more better things for earth. We shouldn't use animals for experiments, we should make tests in machines. And we shouldn't cut trees, we should use stone papers, they are healthier and better. I suggest if some people are killing animals or harming the environment, we can give them jail, public service, or many punishments.